Alright everybody, we got the chain on the bike shop. So we got a major upgrade coming soon, so for the 72 volt 3000 watt hub. So we got a major upgrade coming we're gonna make this a beast. So y'all look out for that video coming soon. Thank you. Yeah, I don't want to show their faces. Oh man, all right, we did our thing here. We did our thing. All right, so like this is like part 2 of the chain installment on the bike. That feels much better. All right, what we in, 5, 4? We in 5 now. Oh yeah, this feels different. So hot, I had to take the goggles off of my goggles are sitting right there. The goggles, they fogged up, you know what I mean? Oh man, money with these bikes, man. I tell you, this is a very expensive hobby, you know what I mean? So you're not into it, you know what I'm saying? Just not into it. I don't know what else to say. But this is a very expensive hobby. So anyway, I spoke to the gentleman inside the bike shop, and he's the only bike shop near me, you know what I'm saying? So, come on, man. Oh. The bike mess with you like that? So anyway, can't talk to these things. These guys is in a long. What I was trying to let y'all know is, hold up. She rides beautiful with that big tire back there. Like, if anybody, I gotta wait till I stop because I don't know if y'all can properly hear me or slow down anyway. But listen, right, the Happyrun, right? Let me explain this to y'all. Hold on a second. So the Happyrun comes with these real thin tires. This is a fatter tire, but this is for the 20 inch, or I'm sorry, 19 inch, I believe. And these are 17 inch. So the tires that come with this bike they're so thin, they sketchy when you riding, and the handlebars are so close. You're doing like a number where like your hands are close together, opposed to being apart. So one of the first upgrades I would do is either get the knobbies or get the slick tire, you know what I mean? The grippy slick tire for your bike. So if you have to, like if it's this big by 100 by 100, then you're gonna have to move, this is gonna have to move back. And then you gotta take it to a professional to make sure this is all locked in and everything. So he did a good job. You know, everything is tight, you know what I mean? So the next thing I wanna do, when I got the bike, this front axle piece back here, this front axle piece need to come back out and be greased. And we're gonna do a new upgrade on the brake system on this bike. We're gonna put a coil in here. We're gonna have all this cleaned up too one day, and we're gonna have a new system where this is not gonna be the system here. The system is gonna be that little one that be on the Sarans. But yeah, I'm satisfied with it. Happyrun, you did your thing. But we getting ready to turn it up, y'all. So we about to handle our business with it and turn this piece up. So he told me already that the dongle, if there's no port for the dongle, then he's gonna charge me $2,000, right? So this is what the hobby do. So he's gonna charge me $2,000 to put the new far driver in. He knows it's plug and play, but he's gonna order everything for me and service it for 2 days. So for 2 days, I'm not gonna be without my bike. I'm gonna be without my bike, so that's gonna be crazy. Bikers don't like to be without their bikes. I can tell you that right now. All right, let's get down there. Yeah, this is the Happyrun G300 Pro, and she's a beast. At when I'm sitting on it at 180 something pounds, 185, I can get about 47, 48 miles per hour. If I'm going downhill, I could probably reach, you know, with a tuck, I can get that 50 miles per hour out of it. But he just told me that he can make it go 90 miles per hour. So I told him I don't really want to go no more than 70. I want to keep the bike cool. I'm not really 90 miles an hour. I'll take that for $2,000, yeah. So I'm gonna just go ahead and invest with him, you know, and get my shit done. So y'all give me a couple of months and that's what's gonna happen. Till then, you guys, give you guys another look. Oh man, give you guys another look. When you put the big tire on your bike, oh, look at this thing. I gotta turn it around. That's what I'm trying to tell y'all. When you put the big tire on the bike, the kickstand is way up in the air. And if it's a lean in the sidewalk, you gotta turn the bike toward the lean. So yeah, so see now it sit right. So anyway, this is coming this way. So yeah, we're gonna hook it up, everybody, to do a hold on, there's somebody talking to me. 1 second. Hold on, so y'all like and subscribe. Black Cat Electric Motorcycles. This is gonna be my boss bike, and then hopefully I'm gonna try to get another bike by my birthday. So we about to spend thousands of dollars right now again on this bike. But hook your bike up when you get it. You know it's sketchy. That's what it is. It's the tires. The back tire mainly is too thin, so it's making you slip out. You know, so put some weight on your back tire. Get a motorcycle tire, high performance upgrade inner tube in there, and back that up. Put another link into your chain. Where's the link that he put in? Oh, so he had the same grade. I don't see a bigger link, or it's the same kind. Yeah, it sure is. Yeah, alright, so I don't even know. But yeah, he put a new link in and made sure it was all locked up. We leaned it over, tested it. It's riding smooth, y'all. It's riding smooth. So this is my baby. And I'm gonna get the other blue one. I'm gonna buy another blue one. So it's the Happyrun G300. Thank you so much, everybody, for liking and sharing. And I mean, well, you know, y'all know what I'm trying to say. Put your thumbs up, handle your business. Do what you gotta do. That thing right there is a beast. And I'm gonna make it even more of a beast. You heard? So we about to put it together. Peace.